Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Dear student of class 7, today I am going to discuss about cultivation process of papaya. This is under lesson 6. Papaya is a very delicious, nutritious fruit and it is enriched in medicinal qualities. Papaya is eaten as a vegetable when it is green and it is eaten as a fruit when it ripens. Papaya is available throughout the year. Papaya variety: Shahi, Ranchi, Washington, Honeydew, Pusha varieties of papaya and other varieties, hybrid species imported from abroad are cultivated in our country. Land selection and preparation: high and mid-high loamy or sandy loamy soil is good for papaya cultivation, but by doing proper nursing, papaya can be cultivated in all types of soil. For this, the land must be tilled well, 3 to 4 times. Papaya is intolerable to waterlogging. Seedling production: collecting seeds from a good and sweet papaya, the white covering of them should be taken off and then should be sown afresh in the seed bed or in the soil in a polybag. If sowing the seeds, necessary amount of irrigation must be taken. Seedling grow in 15 to 20 days. Plantation process: papaya can be cultivated throughout the year, but for commercial cultivation, the months of Ashwin, Kartik or Falgun, Chaitra are suitable. 2 months before the selected time, seeds should be sown for plant development. Sapling of 1.5 to 2 months old should be planted. After making 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter size mada at 2 meter distances, sapling should be planted in it. 15 days before plantation, fertilizers need to be mixed with the soil of mada. Procedure of fertilizer use: 500 gram TSP, 250 gram gypsum, 25 gram borax, 20 gram zinc sulfate, 15 kg organic or compost for each mada must be mixed properly with the soil. After plantation, when new leaves sprout, urea and muriate of potash 50 gram each must be used after every 1 month. The amount is made double when the tree blossoms. Even 1 month before the plucking of first fruit, muriate of potash and urea fertilizers should be used. Intercultural management: in the cage of plant of monosex type, 3 saplings are planted in one mada. When blossoms, only one female plant must be kept and the others must be culled. For the benefit of plantation, 10% male plants are kept. If it is certain that fruitage will happen from the flowers. One fruit should be preserved in 1 foot stack and the rest should be ripped off. The plant should be tied to a bamboo post to avoid being tiled or being uprooted in a storm. Disease, pest and remedy. If the soil of the seedbed or the polybag is marshy, the plant may be tilled, and if there is any lack of proper drainage system in the field, the adult tree may get infected by the stem rot disease in the rainy season. To prevent this fungal disease, proper drainage system must be ensured and the infected tree must be cut off and burnt down. Papaya tree may get infected by mosaic virus and leaf wrinkling virus. Mosaic virus infected leaf gets yellowish color and it looks like mosaic. Because of this disease, the leaf blade becomes thick and fragile. If the virus affects any trees in the garden, the infected trees must be culled and interred. Fruit collection. When the astringent juice of fruit gets the watery state, it can be collected as a vegetable. If the peel of fruit takes light yellowish color, it can be collected as a ripe fruit. Production of fruit varies according to its varieties, but Shahi papaya grows 40 to 50 tons in a hectare. Now I am going to show you a video about the cultivation procedure of papaya. Let us watch the video.